How to recover Valorant account with the first email. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser or the Safari. You need to do the same either for your PC or your mobile device. So once you are in here, in the source bar, search for Valorant support. Head over to the very first site. You will land on this interface. What you want to do is, in the source bar, search for recover your account. It will lead you to this page. Different options will be available to you. Head over to recover your account. Now scroll all the way down and you must find the option where it says submit tickets. Over here you can see submit a ticket highlighted with the red. Click on it. It will redirect you to this page. Once again scroll all the way down and this interface will pop up. What you want to do is firstly choose a request type, and here in your email address you need to enter your first email address and then state the reason on how you have lost your account. And at the end you can see where it says descriptions. You simply need to state the problem that you have been facing on Valorant. You can just write that you want to recover your account and you haven't done any of the activities that is against the community guidelines of the Valorant. And within 24 hours, your Valorant account will be recovered successfully. So that's it, and this is simply how you can recover your Valorant account with your first email. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.